In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to obtain a ledger in Zoho Books. If you're looking to streamline your accounting processes and gain a detailed overview of your financials, then you're in the right place. We'll guide you step by step through the process, so let's dive in. First, you'll want to locate the Reports module within Zoho Books. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a sidebar. This is your navigation hub to access various sections and features offered by Zoho Books. Scroll through the sidebar and find the Reports module. Clicking on this will open up a wealth of detailed financial reports, offering insights into various aspects of your business. Once you're in the Reports module, the next step is to navigate to the Accountant section. Within the Accountant section, you will find several financial tools, but for this tutorial, we're interested in the General Ledger. The General Ledger is the heart of accounting, as it provides a complete record of all your financial transactions. Find and select General Ledger from the list, and this will open up a new set of options for your report. Now, it's time to customize the report by selecting the desired date range. Whether you need insights for the past week, month, quarter, or even a custom date range, Zoho Books makes it easy to tailor your reports. Head to the Date Range option, where you'll be able to specify exactly what period you want your ledger to cover. Accurate date selection is crucial, as it influences the data you'll view. So take a moment to ensure you've set this according to your needs. After confirming your date range, you're ready to proceed by clicking the Run Report button. This action will generate a detailed report based on all the parameters you've set. It's a straightforward process, but it's fascinating to see how quickly Zoho Books collates all the relevant data, presenting you with a comprehensive overview of all individual account balances and their transactions. Finally, should you wish to export your newly generated ledger for offline review or sharing, Zoho Books has you covered. Look for the Export drop-down menu typically found at the top right of your report page. Click on this menu and you'll find a variety of file formats available, such as PDF, Excel, or CSV. Choose your preferred format to download and save the report for future reference or to share with colleagues or your accounting team. And there you have it. With these few simple steps, you've successfully retrieved and potentially exported a ledger in Zoho Books. It's a key task in managing your finances and ensuring your accounting records are accurate and up to date. Be sure to explore further in Zoho Books to discover more robust reporting features. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more accounting tips and tutorials.